In this lesson, you will learn how to populate your test case with TestSteps using SAP standard modules. As explained in the previous lesson, every Tosca installation comes with a standard subset called standard.tsu. This contains a number of modules, including standard modules, which are used to perform common steering operations across many applications. In this test case, you need to generate and verify the sales order. So what's the first step you need to take? Well, before anything, you need to open the SAP GUI application. To open SAP, you use the module named SAP Logon, which is found under the path Standard Modules, T-Box X Engines, SAP. You can create a test step in multiple ways. One method is by dragging and dropping a module onto a test case or a test step folder. You can also use the Add Test Step function. Simply right-click on the object onto which or after which you want the test step to be added and select Add Test Step. Another common method to create a test step is to use the shortcut Ctrl-T. This can be done on several different objects in Tosca, such as test cases, test step folders, test steps, test step values, and reusable test step blocks. The Add Test Step window then appears. Tosca will use the characters you type into the search field to perform a so-called fuzzy search. This will search for matching module names or reusable test step block names. Tosca will display the first 25 results that most closely match your search term. Characters that match the search term will be highlighted in the result. And the closer the characters appear in the name of an item, the higher it will appear on the result list. After adding a module to a test case, it is best practice to rename the test step to reflect its action. This ensures business readability when working in a team environment. For instance, in this test step, we want to open a specific transaction in the SAP system. As we will later see in the course, we use the standard module SAP Toolbar to open a transaction. We then rename the test step to reflect the relevant action and thus ensure clarity. Another point to note is the structure of your test steps. Make sure your test steps are structured in a chronological way. To reorder them, simply drag and drop them into the appropriate order. Once you've added your test steps and defined your flow through the application, the next step is to add the business information required for Tosca to steer the controls on screen. This will be covered in the next lesson.